babies, I'm back on a video. Hey babies, I'm back on a video, and today's video is going to be me transforming myself from this to this. Damn! And yes, I know I look hideous right now. I know my eyebrows and my hair is not up to par, but you know, your girl is going to get it today. Today is going to be me transforming myself into a summer look. Period! So before I start this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You don't know what it is, you don't know what we do. This your girl Kelly Gang No Gang. Period. But yeah, this is going to be an interesting day because I have so much to get, so much to do, and yeah, it's going to be interesting. So right now, what I'm gonna do is put Noxema on my face. I could cleanse my face because you know my face looking like right now.
Oh! Ew! What the f?
And I really been lacking ever since I've been working.
Get money on you. Get money on you.
I've been focused on working rather than taking care of my skin and myself. And I'm the type to clean my skin every day, and I've been lacking because why I been lacking? I've been lacking just due to the fact that I'll be walking every week. So it's like I don't really have breaks to actually tend myself. And it's like annoying, and I always wanted to do my eyebrows for the longest because look at them, like
Baby girl, baby girl.
look like I have a whole caterpillar on my eye. Like, so right now I'm gonna just put this on my face, leave it on for like a couple of minutes, then I'm gonna go big, get ready to go do my eyebrows, all that good stuff. I really love YouTube like with a passion, so you know that's part of my life also. So I'm gonna start, you know, I need to buy a camera. Up to this day I still ain't bought a camera, and I'm lacking, like I really am. So right now I just put this in my face. I'm gonna leave it on like for 5-10 seconds, and when I'm done I'm gonna come back to you guys because I'm gonna just go bathe. So while I'm showering or whatever, I'm gonna leave it on for like a good 10 seconds. So I'm gonna get back to you guys.
3 hours later.
So I just finished taking a shower, and this is how my skin looks now. It has a big difference, guys. So I'm putting this in my face now. It's like a moisturizer. Then after I'm done, I'm about to leave and you know, get all the materials I need to transform this face, this hair, this clothes, baby. I'll see you in the car. Me and my dog. Laika, do not say she look like a rat because she don't. Okay, baby, don't try it. Me and Laika, we're going out together because we need some time. We need some bonding time. We need some dog and Kelly time, you know. What the fuck? Right, Lally? Say it right. Okay, I guess start. Yes, you're in the car, ready. Okay. You guys know how hot it is in St. Thomas? Lord have mercy, Pam. I already sweated.
I am sweating like I am working out 796 days a year. I am sweating like I went to hell and back. I am hot. My body and my spirit is teared down.
I just get in the car. Lally, you feel good back there? My gosh. So right now I have the door open and the AC on because in here is hot. So I'm trying to get like, I don't know what the hell I try and do, but I try and get a hot air out and like cool it. Ooh. Now in the nearest hair store place, and we're about to see if we have my things then, because I don't know. Hey guys, okay, I'm sorry that I didn't get to record inside the store. They didn't want me to record, so basically I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. So right now I'm gonna go do my eyebrows, and it's hot. Oh my gosh, Lord. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm coming back to you guys. So right now I just reached the eyebrow place. Gonna do my eyebrows. I kind of want my eyebrows like thinner. I don't like it like this. I might want it a little thinner. I'm gonna see how it works out because I like thick eyebrows, but I don't feel like it's really for me. I think I look way better. I look way better with I think I look way better without thick eyebrows, you know. So let me go see how inside looks, and then I'll get back to you guys while I'm doing my eyebrows. See me cute, period. Your girl ready. You know your girl ready. Your girl ready to look good. Honestly. Period. You know, I look good, you know. But this time, you see how my eyebrows thick? I want it a little thinner, cause I don't like thick eyebrows no more. You know, do you good, girl? Don't worry.
You want thick or you want thin?
I want like a not so thin, but I don't like it.
Thin more than now.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
When we call her, she can come. I say don't worry. When you not too tired with people understand you.
Yeah.
Me from your country, from Central Domingo. When them come here, them work, them skin me after 6 months, everybody get fat. You know why? Because them sit down and them hungry, them eat too much. Right? Because them don't moving, you know? That's our problem. Take a look to see.
This is it. This is it. Yes. This is it. This is it. Bro! Oh! 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 Okay, it's too shiny, but baby, this is what I wanted. Before, I never really used to like it. But you see this? Oh! Oh! Oh my god, like... I forget how pretty I am, like... You guys see this? This is a miracle, guys. Just wait until I do my hair. Just wait on it. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is why I love her. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, So I was going to do my hair at the hairdresser, but they told me 30 to braid my hair back, and I was like, baby, it's best I just do it myself. Period. The hell? 30 for braids back.
What?
What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
I said if I wash my hair or put in a little weave, or they didn't even weave, but like just wash my hair overall. 30, at least at 25. No, what the hell? Take out my hair right now, and then I'll get back to you guys. So this is my hair. So now I'm gonna take this, braid it back, all of it. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I know my hair is not straight. I braided myself. It took a while. Current had even go. So I'm gonna do exactly what I saw people doing. Like when people do my lace fronts, I'm gonna do exactly that. So I buy this. So let me show you what I buy in the store. So I buy this. I bought this. This for the edges, of course. This, I don't know, this is spritz or whatever. And this. I kind of already like the hairline of it. It's kind of pre-plucked already. And it's cute. So I don't know. It's pre-plucked already. Period. You know what? I'm going to put it on. Bro, I don't know what I'm doing. Listen. Okay. Whew. Okay. Whew. Okay. So I remember doing this, them doing this. Wait, my eyebrows. My eyebrows is not going to get stick in this. Okay. They were doing this. wrong place. I don't want it to go on my edges at all. If mistakenly did our hair, please get off. Get it up there. Can't see. I think that's good. Should do this. Oh my god. This damn scissors. They told me buy this. They told me buy this and it's not working. Okay. This is not working. I'm getting mad. I'm gonna use this big scissors because the other one is not working. Whew, life. So I remembered. So I cut too much over here, but that's okay. I'm still new at this. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, look at this. Stay. Okay. You guys see this? I'm about to install a wig by myself. This screw. Cause I'm new, so I bought a small one. So it dries. So I'm gonna pour a second layer. Okay, so I think it's dried. We're gonna see right now. Please. Oh my gosh, I'm actually installing this myself. Right here. Oh my gosh. I'm actually doing this myself. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh, I did it, I did it, I did it. I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. I did not do it because it's kind of still wet. Actually, no, it's kind of still wet. Oh my gosh, like I actually did this. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't freak. Okay, this is crazy. It's kind of still wet though. Let me see, I could dry it. So I'm gonna get it together, don't worry. Don't worry about me. So this is the style I want. I love it. Period. Okay. So right now I'm gonna, take out all the dirt off my face, which I don't, but I feel sweaty from since cause it's almost hot. So, and then I'm gonna apply lashes, cause I love lashes with a passion. I don't know why. It's very difficult. I'm gonna come back when I put it on because it's very difficult to put it on camera. So yeah, bye. I know you didn't understand me, but it's okay. Okay, bye. So.
Oh my god! Wow!
This is me with lashes and everything done. I feel like I look cute. I look a little, I don't know. So I think this is going to be the end of the video. This is me transferring myself into a baddie. Period. Even though I'm pretty with my natural light and without lashes, but I feel like I had to go extra, you check. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You don't know what it is, you don't know what it is. It's a girl Kelly gang, you know, guys. Period. And I'm really happy with what I've got. It's cute, even though these things don't want to stay, but it's okay. So yeah.